everybody. Today in the studio we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to do an acrylic pour. I kind of enjoy getting into this. I like the spontaneity and it looks so abstract. It's so pretty. And I don't even know what these are called, but I'm just so glad that you could join me. You guys are such a blessing to me, and I really appreciate your time and taking time to make comments, and I do appreciate those. It really makes me feel good that you are learning things, and hopefully you'll enjoy this too. I know there's many people on YouTube that do this, but everyone comes out different, so it's always an enjoyable approach, and I really enjoy doing it too. It's kind of like because of the spontaneity and the excitement of what's going to happen. So let me get my paints ready and we'll be right back. So I have silver metallic. I don't know if you can see those. Yeah, silver. I've got yellow, and it's called deep yellow. I have this blue, which is Americana, and it's true blue. I have DecoArt Americana Jack-o'-lantern orange. And I have a purple metallic amethyst. It's the Dazzling Metallics by DecoArt. And I also have the social artworking Mars Black, which I am also going to use. Now, I've mixed each one of those by 1 ounce of paint to 4 ounces of Floetrol. The Floetrol. So we're going to see what happens. And then I also have put in some treadmill spot-on lubricant. And I put about 3 to 4 drops in. Actually, that's on top, but I did mix some in the colors because I want to see if I can get some nice cells with this. So, let's begin. I am going to start with my black because I want to see how much, where it goes to and things like that. So I'm going to start down here, and I do definitely have gloves on, and I'm just pouring this out just like that because I don't want a whole lot, but I do want it to go over the edges. And I think I'm going to use my little spatula here from the starting part because I do want it to go over the edges. But I also have to make sure that when I wanted to see how much I had here before I poured my other shades. So I'm going in here now with my silver, and I'm just going to kind of go like this and see what happens. My next one, I'm going to go with yellow. See what happens here. My next one is blue. I'm not sure how we're going to turn out here, so this should be a thrill to me, I guess. It's one of the most relaxing parts of doing art, I think, and it's so, like I said, so abstract that it just is amazing how it turns out. And you don't really need a whole lot of black because the black will take over, and you don't want that either, you know. You want to kind of have it. Okay, we're going to do purple. Oops, that came out a little quick. All right, Now I'm going to torch this a little bit just to make sure no air bubbles are in here. Turn it on. I think I must have had it on. No. Just torch it a little bit to get all the bubbles out. You don't want to over torch it and burn your paint. We're good. I think we're good on that. Alright, now let's see. I want to get a paper towel, and I have to get a squirt bottle. We are going to drag this. So you wet the paper towel. Wet the paper towel. Okay, maybe, no, okay. We're going to start with the black, and we're just going to lay the paper towel very loosely on our paints. Let's see what happens here. We might have to drag it a little bit more. Get another one, because I think I need to get that black paint to travel a little bit more. I want it over this. And I would like to see more of that metallic coming through. Let's see. Ooh. Just a couple little splotches here. Okay, maybe I'll lay this a little heavier down here so it'll travel more. There we go. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I want to see. Nice. Okay. Go for another swipe here. Right here. I'm going to swipe it. Coming down. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Over here a little bit. Okay. Get some more paint over there. Put more black on the one part here also. We want some of that stuff to start coming up here. Some of the black more down here. Maybe just kind of let this roll over. Don't want to have any of those white splotches there, but I don't want to mess up my cells either. Don't want to mess those up. That's pretty cool. Okay, we'll go over that again. One more time here. I hope you can see it. See what's happening here. Cool, cool, cool. I'm going to torch it again because I want more things to start coming through here. Some of those shades that are, get a... Okay, let's see here. Excuse me. Ooh, don't go that way, Sally. Don't go that way. Okay, go ahead. Now go ahead. Okay, we'll wait till this dries and see where we're at from there. But I think it's looking pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, we'll see what happens once it's dry. Well, I really like the way this turned out. I don't know if you could see it. It's a little dark. I think I could use some brighter colors, but my first one, original, I love it. It really is cool. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Very short, but short and sweet. So talk to you soon. Bye.